My name is Devan Kakkar and I recently passed class 12 in the commerce stream. I wish to pursue law and I love quizzing and debating. I belong to a family of businessmen and so I'll be the first lawyer in my family. I have always found law to be a very intriguing concept. It is basically a framework according to which billions of people lead their lives. However, it saddens me to know that very few of them know the rights conferred upon them. And so they fall prey to the misuse of the law. Studying law, to me, means being well versed with the law of the land, which would allow me to be a part of the change and allow me to help people in claiming their entitlements. No system is perfect. Similarly, even the Indian legal system has certain lacunae. There are certain laws that have been struck down many years ago, and yet, even to date, people are being booked under those laws. The influential people use the Indian legal system to carry out their personal vendetta against persons of lower standing. This not only harasses innocent citizens and creates a blot on their respect in the society, but it also increases the caseload of the judiciary, which delays justice for all of us. As a lawyer, I would like to stand up for those who are being oppressed. I wish to provide them with quality counsel so that they do not fall prey to such things. Yes, absolutely. Practice makes perfect, and giving so many mock LSAT tests has improved my ability to analyze arguments and to understand them and to promptly get the crux of the statement before me. My LSAT India test taking experience was a really smooth one. I faced no issues whatsoever, especially in the June attempt. It is laudable how the LSAT was able to conduct such a smooth exam, especially through the online mode. The instructions were detailed, precise, and unambiguous. I had no issues in understanding them. In the run up to the test, I got regular emails from LSAT. I got study material on their website and I could even give mocks. There was also a number provided to me to contact them. I did contact them for setting up the secure browser. The representatives were extremely helpful and saw me throughout the procedure, and as I mentioned before, I faced no issues during the test taking experience, and so I did not need any support at that time either. I had given a couple of free mocks on the Law Prep website. I had also ordered the Super Prep and the handbook. It had detailed solutions and the reasons behind the method of solving the questions, which helped me to approach similar questions which I could not do before. The mocks were extremely helpful since I was able to analyze my mistakes and work upon them and thus get a much better score. The LSAT exam was conducted twice, in March and in May, and I sat for both the attempts. It was the first law entrance test that I had appeared for, and it gave me immense experience and made my skills much more refined. The Discover Law website had a lot of resources for me, and the experience of giving a test, that too through the online mode, was extremely important for me, especially in this era of COVID-19. As a lawyer, I wish to be a part of the system that brings in positive reforms in the judicial process. I wish to work towards bringing in transparency in the judicial system so that certain elements in our society are unable to cut into the line anymore. I also wish to make our judicial system more accessible to people from different societies and locations. Many a times this issue occurs with the people concerned in the court cases, that is to attend court hearings, because there are many constraints, say on location, on time and on finances. And this further leads to unnecessary adjournments, which again increases the caseload of the courts. So I wish to work towards virtualization of the courts, which I believe will help our society in an immense way. Ask yourself this question: why do you want to become a lawyer? Because if it is just for the sake of money and fame, then that is not the right motivation. If you feel that you can do great things for your country and its people, then you should become a lawyer. Because that is the only way you will be happy with what you're doing.